Now guys, what's happening? How to download TikTok without the App Store. First of all, if you're using iPhone, you can or Android, you can just visit the TikTok official website and use it in your browser. Okay. You can also install Alt Store or side loading. Okay. You can download the TikTok IPA file and side loaded in using Alt Store or side loading. Okay, if you want me to put a face to the name, you can just go ahead loading, right? Where you can download the TikTok's IPA file and then side loaded using Alt Store or side loading. Okay. And lastly, you can use, as a last resort, obviously, you can use third party websites like Cydia or Troll Store. Okay. And be careful with APK sources to avoid malware. So that's one of the comments of this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next time.